Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to combine ions. Let's start. The first example I have here with me is so we have copper and oxygen here. We are asked to combine these two elements. So to combine it is very easy to combine. So what you have to do is these two, anything that is here, any suffix that is here has to come down here, and anything that's here has to come down here. Just like cross multiplication, just assume it's cross multiplication. So after crossing multiplicating it, this plus will come down here and this 2 will come here. So our output will now be Cu2O. We're supposed to have 1 here, but we don't put 1 here. So that's our first example. And the second one I have here with me is iron. Then sulfur. You have to do the same thing here, just cross multiply it. We have Fe2, then sulfur. This will be our answer. It's as simple as that. Let's do the last one. And we also have chlorine. So the output will be, after combining this, we have this. As you can see, it's as simple as that. So I'll also explain oxo ions. Let me explain oxo ions. Ions. Nitrogen. We have sulfur and chlorine. You need to know all these things offhand, because when you are asked to name any compound, you have to apply all these rules. For nitrogen, we have NO2 minus. This one is called nitrite. It's called nitrite. And the next one is NO3 minus. This one is called nitrate. You need to know all these rules offhand, because when you are naming compound, so that you won't have any problem while naming. Then for sulfur, we have this one is called sulfite. That's the first one. Then the second one is SO4 2 minus. This one is called sulfate. This one is called sulfate. And for chlorine, it's somehow complex, but it's also straightforward. You just have to know all this naming. For chlorine, we have ClO4. This one is called perchlorate. we have ClO3. This one is called chlorate. We have ClO2. This one is called chlorite. And lastly, we have ClO. One is here, but we don't put it. This one is called hypochlorite. Some students always forget these things, but I'll give you a shortcut. Just have it in mind that 1 and 2 always ends with right, ITE, and 3 and 4 ends with ATE. If you're able to know this, then I don't think you can have any problem with this. So let's now solve an example, just like 3 examples. The first one, we're asked to name these compounds. We're asked to name the compounds. The first one is NaClO4. How do you name this? The first thing you have to do is look at this here. This one ClO4. This is ClO4. Then where is ClO4 here? This ClO4. And our ClO4 here is what? Perchlorate. So what is here? This is Na, which is sodium. So you just write sodium, then you put all this perchlorate. Chlorate. It's as simple as that. Then the second example I have here with me is NaClO. You have to do the same thing here. We still have sodium here. Sodium is here. And we have ClO. Look here, where is ClO? ClO, this ClO. It's hypochlorite. And we have sodium. You have to write sodium hypochlorite. As you can see, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So we have another example here. We have K2SO3. How do you name this? This K is potassium from the table. This K is called potassium, and this is SO3. What you have to do is look at this place. We have SO3 here, which is sulfite. Sulfite, as you can see, sulfite. So this potassium sulfite. Just write potassium sulfite. As you can see, it's as simple as that. If it is K2SO4, SO4 is, as you can see here, is sulfate. Sulfate. So you write potassium, because this K is potassium. Potassium sulfate. It's as simple as that. So I think that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to solve more examples. I will solve some complex examples, because some students always have problem when it comes to naming compounds. I will give you some examples, and after the examples, I'm sure that you can't have any problem in naming any compound again. Thank you guys for watching.